Hello friends, welcome back to Learn English by GB Sir. This is day 4 of our English speaking practice series. Today we are going to learn one of the most powerful skill, how to think in English instead of translate your from mother tongue. If you really want to speak fluently and confidently, this video is for you. So that's till the end because I will give you some secret technique and fun activities that will train your brain to think only in English. Part number 1. Part number 1. Why you struggle to speak English? Let's be honest. Most of us can read English, understand English, even write English. But when it comes to speaking, we stop and think how to say this sentence, right? Why does this happen? Because your brain is trained to think in Marathi or Hindi first, then translate it word by word into English. For example, you want to say I am going to school, but your brain first say मी शाळेत जात आहे and then try to translate it. That is why you take 3 or 4 second delay. Fluent speakers don't translate. They directly think in English. That's what we will learn today. Part number 2. What does think in English mean? Thinking in English about means speaking first or using difficult word. It means your thought, your daily routine, your ideas all are created in English sentence. For example, instead of thinking pani de, you think give me water. You think give me water. Instead of काय चाललंय, you think what's going on. That is mindset, a habit that we can build step by step. Part number 3. Step by step practice. Step number 1. Talk to yourself in English. Yes, your best speaking partner is you. Every day, stand in front of a mirror and talk for 5 minutes. Say simple thing like I am brushing my teeth, I am making a tea, I am ready go to school, today I feel happy, etc. Don't worry. About grammar, focus on fluency. Step number 2. Describe what you see. This is fun activity. Look around your room and describe everything in English. For example, this is my chair, the fan is on, their book is on the table, my phone is charging. By doing this daily, your brain start using English automatically. Step number 3. Describe your action. While doing any work, think in English. For example, I am opening the window, I am washing my hand, I am cooking rice, I am watching a YouTube video by GB Sir. Do this for 10 to 50 minutes every day. It builds English thinking. Step number 4. Read and visualize in English. When you read a story, don't translate. It is your head, just imagine the scene in English. For example, you read, a boy is walking on the rain. Close your eyes and you imagine that boy walking. Don't use Marathi word in your mind. This is how your brain becomes naturally English. Step number 5. Play the English thinking game. Here is a fun challenge for the next 1 hour. Think only in English. Say everything you do. I am opening the door. I am talking to my mother. I am drinking tea. If you forget a word, don't stop. Use another simple word. Don't say, I can't. Say, let me try. Part number 4. Common mistake to avoid. When you start thinking in English, you will make mistakes. And that's okay. But don't do this thing. Don't stop thinking to find the perfect word. Use simple alternatives. For example, don't how delicious. Say very tasty. Don't translate every sentence. Focus on the ideas, not the language. Don't feel shy. Every native speakers make mistake. Remember, practice makes progress, not perfection. Part number 5. Motivation plus real talk. Friends, when I started learning English, I also used to think in Marathi first. But then I made a rule. From today, I will think, dream and speak in English only. And believe me, after 30 days, everything changed. So, don't wait for confidence, start today. Confidence comes when you practice. So friends, this was day 4, Think in English. Try these activities today and comment below which part helped you the most. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Learn English by GB Sir. See you in day 5. Till then, keep smiling and keep learning.